Hello once again student. Today we are going to see about the concept of marketing mix. The marketing mix consists of four P's, that is product, price, place and promotion. So these four P's are collectively called as a marketing mix. This concept has been put forward by father of the marketing called as a Philip Kotler. So one by one we are going to see about this marketing mix. First is price. Price is nothing but the exchange value of goods and services in terms of money. Pricing can be set by the company on the basis of different parameters, different factors like cost of production, like delivery charges, like profit of the company, profit of the middleman. All these costs are accumulated and pricing can be set. Pricing should be capable of giving enough amount of profit to the company, then only your pricing strategy will be successful. Second is product is very important thing in the marketing mix. Product is nothing but the bundle of physical services and symbolic particular expected to yield satisfaction. Product is the thing on the basis of which the marketing activity can be designed. So whenever the company manufactures the product, company needs to understand the consumer psychology. They need to understand their preferences, their needs, their wants, and on that basis the company should manufacture the product so that customer can be satisfied by getting that product, and company company will also get successful in order to sell the number of products. Then next is place. Place is again is very important as far as the companies are concerned. Place means the distribution channel through which the company distributes their products to the end users. So distribution strategy of the company is very important uh, in order to determine the profit margin of the company. Your distribution should be capable of generating the sales. Then only a company can get a huge amount of business and company can achieve the profit maximization. So that's a place decision or distribution channel selection is very important as far as the companies are concerned. Next is promotion. Nowadays promotion is become the part and parcel of human beings life. Without promotion no single company can survive on this earth. So that's why due to the cutthroat competition the company has to undertake knowingly, or company has to undertake the some promotional activities like advertising, sales promotion and personal selling in order to boost up their sales. So that's why promotion also very important criteria, important piece of this marketing mix. Thus marketing mix consists of product, price, place and promotion. Now we are heading towards the next article of this chapter, the marketing process. Marketing is the process of analyzing opportunities in the market, selection of the target markets and development of the marketing mix and management of marketing efforts. So marketing process consists of uh, four different steps like situation analysis, marketing strategy, then comes marketing mix decisions and implementation control. First is situation analysis. Situation analysis can be done on the basis of the 5C, that is called the company, customer, competitors, collaborators and climate. In which what is the what types of 5Cs are there? Company, which company you are in, you are in, or you are doing the in which industry sector you are doing, you are for establish your company. Who are your customers, what they like, dislike, what they prefers. Who are your competitors, what competitive strategies they adopted. Who are your collaborators or promoters, and what kind of climate exists in that particular location. Second is pest analysis. Pest analysis consists of political, economical, societal and technological factors. These factors also needs to be considered while establishing the business. Then next is SWOT analysis: strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats for the internal and external situation. So company needs to identify their strengths. They need to give much attention towards the weaknesses. They need to uh, identify the opportunities and the probable threats that the company may face in the future. That can be done in this SWOT analysis. Second is marketing strategy. Marketing strategy. In marketing strategy, company needs to identify in which segment they want to market their product. So market segmentation is very important. Market segmentation is done by the company um, in order to identify the group of customers to whom the company wants to sell their products. Again, the company needs to know the target customers, Without that, the company cannot ensure their sales. So the targeting is also very important strategy in the marketing. Then once the company's product has become popular, company needs to position their product in the market in a systematic way. So these are the activities considered under the marketing strategy. Third one is marketing mix decisions. Again, as we earlier seen that marketing mix consists of product, price, place, and promotion. So product development consists of specifying, designing the product and designing the product, designing the size of the product, designing the you can say determining the uh, size of the product, determining the physical condition of the product. Packaging is also considered under product development. Then pricing decisions. Whenever the company decides the price of the product, they should get enough amount of profit, reasonable amount of profit out of their selling. Then distribution is also very important, because without distribution, no company can become achieve success in the market. So that's why distribution decisions are also very important. And again, promotional campaigns are required in order to market their product, in order to boost up the sales in the sales of the product in the market. Then the last strategy is implement. Last stage is implementation and control. Whatever the up till whatever the steps are carried forwarded or carried out by the company needs to understand, company needs to implement those strategies effectively. Then and then only the company will receive the results. Otherwise the company's strategies are and there is a difference between company's strategies and customer requirements. In that case, the company may fail to implement their, or company may to um, fail to uh, st- uh, fail in marketing strategy. So therefore, company needs to adjust, keep on adjusting their product as per the requirements in the market, requirements in the consumers, because consumer psychology is changing every now and then. So the company must understand the consumer psychology, and on that basis they need to make the necessary changes either in the strategies or in their policies. The company needs to continuously monitor whatever strategies they have implement. The company needs to see if the strategies are not working, the company needs to alter those strategies. If the strategies are going well, then company needs to keep on their business, keep on their strategies, and they can run their business. So these are the four different steps that are involved in the process of marketing. Thank you.